we were talking about preservatives, okay? And there are natural preservatives and there are chemical preservatives. But what they do is when they are making food in big quantities, okay, in factories and things, they'll put preservatives in it so that when it gets to the shops, it can last on the shop shelves for a lot longer, okay? So things like jams and vegetables and things that are put into cans or bottles, they'll add a preservative to it, okay? Okay, so that's most of the stuff about food, okay? The last bit on here is talking about minerals and petroleum, okay? We use a lot of chemicals, okay, for being able to separate things, like if we're doing like petrol. Petrol actually comes from the earth in something called crude oil, okay? And in that oil, you can take out a lot of different things from that. You can get petrol, you can get cooking gas, you can get cooking oils, you can get oils that we might burn in our house to make light. There's all different types of oil. So we use chemistry to separate those things. Okay, so it's used a lot in that. But it's also used in anything you can see here, any kind of plastic, okay? This is made from chemicals. This is plastic. Plastic is made from chemicals. Okay, you can look around you and see all kinds of things that we produce through chemicals. This tablecloth, okay, from chemicals it's made, okay? So this is in the commercial industry, okay, consumer products. Look around, you know, you can see so many things that would be produced chemically. Okay, all right. We also use chemicals in transporting things, in the fuels that we're using in our cars, okay? And I just talked about fossil fuels, where we get petrol and cooking oils and gas and things that we use to heat our house with, okay? Okay. But chemistry can also be very harmful, okay? Because when we put chemicals together and we're using them in factories, it causes a lot of pollution as well, okay? And one of the most harmful gases that comes from chemicals being used in factories, do you know what it is? The most harmful gas for our air?
Cylinder gas.
Sorry?
Cylinder gas.
No. Carbon dioxide, okay? CO2 is very bad, and unfortunately, because carbon is all around us, when we are making things in chemistry, usually carbon is given off, so it can be very, very harmful to the environment as well. Also, because when they're using these chemicals, they go into our rivers and our oceans afterwards as waste, and that kills the fish and all the living plant life in the rivers and the oceans and things too, so that's not good. Okay? All right, you can stop now.